Today's lesson is about PNOZmulti migration process and how easy it is to do it using PNOZmulti Configurator. If you have an old PNOZmulti such as Classic or Mini and you're looking into upgrading them, you can migrate the legacy unit to the new base unit. You can see some options here on the left screen, and that's the old Classic one, and the one on the screen is the PNOZ MB1, which is the generation 2. Let's have a look at the project prepared with one of the older PNOZmulti Classics module. This project uses 773.103. You can see the modules on the left hand side here that come with the Ethernet port connectivity and some built-in IOs. So there's a few components here for the PNOZmulti Classics. Okay. And this is the program itself. Is quite simple programs. You have e-stop, you have safety switch, you have light curtains and some of the input and the output in the programs. Okay. Now, if you want to change to the new hardware, you can come back to the hardware configuration page and then select the new base modules and that you want to replace. Then you can drag and drop it. Then it will ask you to save the project, so you just save at the location you prefer. And after that saving, it will begin the migration process. Then there will be some prompt up asking you some questions about the migration itself. Okay. After you read through them, just click next. And it shows here that there are 57 elements in the programs and all of them can be migrated to the new hardware. After you click next, you will see the old and the new hardware configuration. Click finish. Okay. So the program will do some work in the background, generating the report. The report will show the compare hardware. As you can see, the field bus module is still available to be used in the new base unit, but some of the I/O expansion unit is no longer required as the PNOZ MB0 already come with some built-in I/O. For example, some of the I/O might require additional expansion modules. Okay. Then you will see the assign I/O report showing which I/O is assigned to which port of the new device. This will ease the rewiring of the device with minor impact of the existing wiring. So if I go back to the programs, you can see the PNOZ MB0 is used instead of previous Classics module. Since the new base unit does not have the Ethernet port, additional Ethernet port module is added. Another modules that we don't have in the MB0 is the safety relays output. As you can see, there's additional safety relays output modules available here on the right. If you go back to the existing Classics one, it shows you that it has the two safety relay outputs available as a built-in I/O. This is going to give you a basic idea of how easy it is to migrate the PNOZmulti using the software configurator. If you have any question, please drop us a question in the comment section below or contact your local PU subsidiary.